Hello Hannah. Good morning and welcome to day 3 or 4? Day 3? Day 4? Who knows?
Full day.
Full day. And today we're off to Universal Studios. Are we?
Yeah.
Yeah. I get them mixed up. We're doing a full... We're gonna do like a split day.
Well, we'll see.
We'll see. We're gonna go to Universal Studios in the morning, come back for flowers, chill by the pool, and then go back in. But yeah.
Watch
the show. But yeah.
Did you put some cream on the back of my neck?
I did, yes, Hannah. So let's go on some rides. Before we go, I will show you my outfit today because I really like it. So I've got my dungarees on. I bought this t-shirt.
What time are we on? Is it 9 o'clock?
I don't know. This t-shirt from Hard Rock Cafe. It's World 2 on.
Midday.
My Ray-Bans and my crop flip-flops because they're so comfortable. But yeah, let's go. How do we get off a travelator? We already have. Up to 11. So come to the street cafe. I've got a cheese ham and egg sandwich. It comes with fruit. We don't know. Hannah got a blueberry muffin and some fruit.
Nearly gone.
Nearly gone. So I've had to wait about 10 minutes for my food. For a while. Get some apple juice as well. We've got the ducks get in. Gary! Oh, we're gonna put that SpongeBob backpack, Hannah. This backpack. What is this parade? Just been on ET and
You weren't a fan.
it was an experience. Oh yes. You could tell it was a little bit older.
Well, yeah, they got a key stick.
It was alright. Don't think I'd be doing it again. Oh, it's a penguin! Oh, nice. Oh, 11 till 20 past. Oh, back to the beach, but yeah.
We don't want the donut yet though, do we?
No. Yeah. What's probably We've just been on the Simpsons ride. What's your thoughts, Hannah?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
It was good. The start was a bit weird, but it's the Simpsons,
it
so
was actually.
you know.
We're going to Cookie Mart.
Yeah, we're going to Cookie Mart. I knew it was zoomed in. We've been on Men in Black. I lost.
You just copying my vlog.
Yeah, yeah. We're ready to the best part. got an icing. I got hot orange. Delicious. And I got Coke. How much Coke, Hannah?
Good.
But I'm gonna have a chill out and go see the rest of the park. I think it's building. We've had a nice chilling by the pool this afternoon, but we are dressed again and we are ready to go back out. We are not going back to Universal. We are going to the Cheesecake Factory. Yay! So excited, I love cheesecake. But yeah, we're waiting for Hannah to get ready and then we're off. Oh, I'll come in. We're in the Cheesecake Factory. How do people choose? Literally. Got 10 minutes of food. There's bread coming now. And there's meatballs. Yeah. This is the carbonara. Hannah's got the Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo. So we went for a cinnamon cheesecake. Look at that beauty. I just like them.